Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to withdraw GBP from Binance. To withdraw GBP from Binance is straightforward process. Open up a preferred web browser and head over to Binance.com. Log in using your credentials. Confirm that you have GBP available in a fiat and spot wallet. If your funds are in another currency like USDT, convert them to GBP via trade and convert option, or you can also use spot trading. Now navigate to the withdrawal page, click on wallet in the top right menu and select fiat and spot. Locate GBP in your wallet list and click on withdraw. Now you can choose a preferred withdrawal method and enter your bank account details. After that, enter the amount of GBP you want to withdraw and review the fees. Verify the withdrawal request like two-factor authentication. Withdrawals via faster payment usually take a few minutes to a few hours. Check your status under transaction history. Ensure your Binance account is fully verified to enable fiat withdrawals. Double-check bank details to avoid delays or error. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.